Yo, welcome back, guys. So, we're at the shop. Started taking the front end apart. It's time to party. Yeah, so car's already on the lift. I'm about to remove the radiator and Cody's leaving. It's really, really bright out, so I apologize for the camera being goofy. Yeah, the goal today is to get the engine out, hopefully get the turbos off, get the trans off, and then I might stop for the night there. And then next I'm gonna do the timing, the valve seals, and yeah, we'll see you where we get.
That's a lot quieter.
It is. Happy birthday, Brock! Happy birthday, Brock! Damn, she looking good though.
Dude, look what this weather critter did.
What did you do? What is that? Rip!
What'd you do? Nah, I just put some
It
weather critter
ate
on
the hell
there.
out of it.
Ate it, so I peeled the rest of it off. I'm gonna put a Crown Royal bag and stitch it in there or something.
Damn. That sucks.
And then, yeah, a bucket seat.
Yeah, that'll be nice. Dude, the seat and, man.
Does that you slide around a lot in that one?
I'd imagine. There's no, like,
I'm
bolstering.
a little guy.
Boy.
What's
Boy.
up, pack of lighters?
So, basically, most of the things are disconnected. I still got a fuel line. I think maybe a power or two and a ground or two underneath. To get at, I already took out the shifter to make the trains easier to drop. So right now we're about to lift this thing up, start taking things off underneath, get the drive shaft out, get the trans mount off, undo the motor mounts, make sure everything's disconnected, and this thing should be almost ready to pull out. All right, then. We got it out. It's really, really bright, sorry. But yeah, engine's out. Literally took an hour and a half with the help of my boys here. And yeah, basically I'm gonna go under here in a bit and I'm gonna rip all that nasty stuff out because it's probably useless and it's gonna catch a fire if I leave it like that. So yeah, but this is out. Trans is gonna come off tonight. Turbos are gonna come off tonight. Maybe some of the cam stuff, timing stuff. It's a process, so we'll see what happens. See you guys in a bit. Yo, so it's now 10:30 at night. Engine's out, trans is off, clutch is off, and turbos are about to be off. So I'm sorry I didn't show you guys this. I was very preoccupied and I wanted to get this done. So as you can see, they're very, very, very loose. We got a wire here hanging on, I'm about to take off. And yeah, after that, the oil return should just pop off. And then from there, we're clear. All right, guys, so the turbos are off. Next, what I'm gonna do, and this is probably gonna be it for tonight, I'm going to lower the car down, pull the turbo manifold out of the car, set it on there, just finger tight a couple of the nuts, set the turbo on the manifold, and see what we got to work with. Oh man, this is great, boys. This is the first time I'm seeing it. I gotta be careful, this turbo is not exactly bolted down. Kind of just threw some little random bolts in there. I gotta get some bolts tomorrow. Ooh, ooh baby, hello. That's what I like. That's what I like. Man, all right, so this has to get reclocked to shoot. I'm gonna shoot it this way towards the firewall over there. And then I'm gonna run a 90-degree coupler off of this. So it's gonna come this way, shoot forward, and then it's gonna basically, so it's gonna come like, the turbo should be here, it's gonna shoot here, 90 this way, and then back and connect to the existing piping. So, yep, that looks awesome. So yeah, essentially, that's gonna be all for this video. There'll be more probably tomorrow. It's currently Friday night, so if you're watching this, it's probably Saturday because it's pretty late in the evening. But yeah, stay tuned for more, and thank you guys for watching. We'll see you in the next one.